Science is at the root of everything we do. It doesn't matter whether it's architecture or art, whether it is the latest discovery for an artificial leg, whether it is how we are going to get plastics out of our oceans. We all have to work together in those fields.
It's a network, it's a team. It is actually something you're doing with your friends and colleagues. So I think that aspect of discovery with friends is an aspect of it that we don't talk about a lot, because we have this stereotype of what a scientist is the loner, but no, it's actually teamwork that makes it really fun and exciting.
I think it does wonderful things for young people, particularly, to see science at first hand, to have a chance to talk to people who actually are doing science, and to understand how it can be a part of their lives.
It's the one glue that brings everybody together. You can think of all kinds of things. Some people like baseball, some people like arts. There's different opinions. Everybody loves science.
There's a place for everyone, and you just have to find that one thing you want to learn about for the rest of your life that you love, and that's what being a scientist is.
It's creativity, it's an opportunity to solve problems, and it's an adventure. So it's that pursuit of a new adventure, not following a recipe, not following the beaten path.
You just have to ask yourself, why are we curious? Where does that come from? Being curious and learning allows you to adapt, make corrections, survive.
Well, science is the future of the world, right? Like, if we didn't have science, we wouldn't have much of a future.
So it helps us understand our environment and give meaning to our lives. I think it's a very fundamental part of who we are. It's part of being human, I think.
You question things, you get to the root of problems. We look to science to help us find those answers and to steer us in the right direction.
It requires new ideas and deep thinking. It's a complex process of trying to understand nature and how it can be mobilized to improve the human condition.
Whatever is happening, there's going to be a scientist working on finding the solution to make our life better.
Science is a process, and I think getting kids used to that idea that they already are scientists and how they're thinking about these things and how they're testing all of these things that they're observing in the world and creating their own understanding of it. So I think science itself, I think it's a way of thinking that solves problems, and I think we're quite natural students of it, even from the earliest years of life.
The measurements that have been made in a wide variety of different ways, some of them from satellites, some of them from the measurements we make underground, some of them directly in our laboratories, they all fit together in a framework that is quite an amazing correspondence of various elements of physics that explain where we came from. The fact that everything has come together so phenomenally, to me, is the thing that I find most fascinating. Everything that science finds is already there, but it's just the search for it, like the discovery of it. Like it's all about discovery. And, and when something's discovered, it becomes brand new. But in a lot of ways, it's been there all the time. It's just, find it. It's like going in the field and finding a dinosaur skeleton for the first time. Like it's the same sort of search, and that discovery is science.
So what Science Rendezvous for one day does, it gives everyone a new set of glasses to see the world differently. When's the last time you went outside and you looked at a leaf and said, Mike, that's amazing. Science reels you back in to explain to you, this is a miracle. And it's like, science is magic, and it's the one thing, when a magician does this thing and the tricks are revealed, that the magic's out of it. In science, when the tricks are revealed, there's always some other layer, and there's more magic to be discovered. So it gives you a new perspective, new glasses to see the world, and I think it makes everything, it colors the world for you. So I hope people come, appreciate it, and they learn to see the world a little bit more differently, and they will see beautiful things.